Yeah, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to go through another powerful strategy that we can use for our day-to-day trading. Whether you are a beginner's trader or professionals, this strategy might be useful for you. So without any delay, let's just go into this strategy. So first of all, let's add the indicator to our chart. So let's go to the indicators. So I've added indicator to my favorite already. Let's just go to the favorite. Let's type the name of the indicators. As you can see, this is the indicators. We have Kelman trend level indicators. It is made by Big Balugas. As you can see, 250 256 like. So this is the indicators. Let's add it to our charts. So as you can see, we have added the indicators to our chart. So as you can see, this is the indicators. So first of all, let's explain the rule concerning this particular indicators before we add the second one. So the only thing we are using this indicator for is trend identification. So as you can see, this line is 200 moving average. As you can see, let's go to the setting of the indicators. Let's go to the setting. See, we have the short is 26 moving average, while the long is 200 moving average. So this we only use the indicators to identify the trend of the market. So as you can see, when the market is above 200 moving average, we are looking forward to do what? To buy. To buy when it's above 200 moving average. And then when the market is below 200 moving average, you are looking forward to do what? To sell. So these are the basic things we'll be using this particular strategy for. So let's add the second indicators. So the second indicators, let's go to personal. Actually, I designed the second indicator by myself. I don't have experience about coding, but I make use of ChatGPT to design the particular indicators. So let's go to RSI stochastic spread analyzer strategy. So this particular one, let's click. So as you can see, this is the indicators that I just add, this particular one. So what are the rules that I use? I've explained the first one to us. So in order to combine the two rules together, one of the things you have to do is when the market is below 200 moving average, you'll be looking forward to sell only. And then when it's above, you're looking forward to buy. So how would I combine my sarcastic with this particular thing, with this particular indicators? And then do you see the red and the green background is actually a RSI indicators. When the market is below 50 level, everything will be red, and then when it's above 50 level, everything will be green. That's how the background color work. And then the sarcastic. So let's now combine the indicators. I don't want this video to be long. I don't want it to be long at all. So let's combine the two indicators. What are the things we have to do? Whenever the market is below 200 moving average and our sarcastic is overbought, when it's overbought and it's crossed the D and the K line, cross the D line, so the down trend, it's overbought, is coming down, is going to sell. So when you see this particular indicator, you now compare it with above indicator. Are we in downtrend already? Is the market below 200 moving average? When it's below 200 moving average, you go for that trade immediately. Don't hesitate. Go for it. Go for it. So go for it. At least 1:2 is okay. 1:2. can see it's a win trade already. It's a win trade. This is another one. You know, the market overbought around this area. But the reason why we will not sell yet is because the overall market is what? Is above 200 million. So we cannot sell at this on it. We won't sell because we don't know how the market will react. We don't know how the trend will go. So we won't sell. So one of the things we have to do is let the market cross down below 200 moving average, then we sell. We can sell from this side. You know, it's overbought. You wait for it to cross down, then you can sell from this particular area. So your stop loss, then you can see like 1:4. And then even if you are not confident to sell at that point, you can let me give you another example that you can sell. You know, when the market crosses and it pull back, when it pull back, you can see it pull back and the D level, D line and K line cross down around this area. You can go for trade around this area. When it cross down and you are below 200 moving average, you can go for that particular trade. You can see the markets go very wonderful. That's sell example. So let's go to the, you know, it's vice versa. Let's go to the buy example. We make sure the market is above 200 moving average. Then when it's, you can see it's above 200 moving average already. It's over sold around this area. It's above 200 moving average. I can't take a trade because the market is below my 200 moving average, so I cannot take the trade. I won't take it. You can risk it. You can take the trade around this area, but most of the time I don't risk it. So I will wait for the market to cross very well, and then I will now wait for pullback. You know, when it's pullback, the market is oversold already. Then I will take this one because it's above 200 moving average. I will take it. It's aligned above 200 moving average. I will take it immediately. My stop loss will be here. So the market, enter the market around this area. So 1:2. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. 1:2. You can see it's a win trade. So that's how the strategy works. So one of the things I want us to understand, the strategy is very, very simple. So concerning the indicators, you know, you can see this one on the TradingView in the community. This particular indicator, you can see it in the community. But this particular indicator that I designed by ChatGPT by myself, one of the things you have to understand is you cannot see it in a community level. You won't see it in community indicators. So one of the things is the code for this particular indicators are you can check the link below. You will see the link to our Telegram group. So when you see the link to our Telegram group, I will post the code for this particular indicators, these below indicators. Then you will now go to Pine Editors. You will post, when you copy the link, the code from Telegram channel, then you will now paste it in this Pine Editors. When you paste it, you will now click update to my chart. The reason why this update to my chart is not highlighted is because it's already updated to my chart. So but when you just paste to your Pine script editor, it will be highlighted. You just click it to update to what? Update to your chart, and then you can rename it and publish it into your personal indicator. If you want, you can just click it, then you will rename it into your personal indicator. I've already published it to my personal indicator, so I cannot click this one. So just go to the Telegram channel. You will see the code to that to this indicators. You will see it there. So that's about that, guys. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Comment if you have any issue with the indicators or the strategy entirely. You can comment for us. You can adjust. If you want us to adjust any other thing, or if anything is not clear to you, you can just comment to this particular video, and we'll respond to your comments immediately. Then if you want us to go through another strategy, we can go through. You can suggest any other strategy you see online. If you want me to go through it for you, I can go through it for you. So, and one of the things I want you to understand, guys, this is not a financial advice. It's not. This is for educational purpose only. So if you are not sure about this particular strategy, don't go and take your money that you earn with your sweat and then put it in this particular strategy and put it on the trade, and then you now blow everything. Please trade wisely. This is not a financial advice, it's for educational purpose only. So that's about that. Thank you guys. Thank you for tuning to our YouTube channel. Thank you for supporting us. Please subscribe, like our video, share. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.